Nothing comes easy. Sweating. Where I am today is better than where I was yesterday. Showing up every single day. Woo, I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. Today is done. Where I am today is better than where I was yesterday. Every day showing up, it adds up. I'm changing, and I like the way I'm becoming. And it takes 90 days to see the result. Great things don't come from a comfortable zone. To challenge myself by chasing that dream body, the physique body, a real action. If you want to change everything around you and about you, Yo, it's raining cats and dogs here. But I dedicated myself to changing my life, changing to be somebody else. I don't want to be like this forever. Come rain, come sunshine, I committed myself of working out to change from powerless to powerful. This is it. Here we go. Yes. Another day to make it happen. No giving up. Going strong on myself, going hard on myself till I see the results. Harder every day, pushing on.